The natural surroundings seen in this video also remind us of the close relationship between African communities and the land. For many generations, cultural gatherings, celebrations, and traditional dances have taken place in open spaces where people come together as one community. In today's rapidly changing world, preserving cultural traditions has become more important than ever. The Zulu people have remained committed to protecting their customs, language, music, and dances, ensuring that future generations will continue to understand and appreciate their unique heritage.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different.